Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? So, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Chi Organic Skincare. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, this is Chi Organic Skincare. On this channel, we do skincare reviews, recipes, trainings, and the rest. So, guys, thank you for stopping by. And to my old subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So, guys, I have this very effective whitening molato soap recipe that I want to share with you guys. In case you want to learn how to make a molato soap, then worry no more because this recipe is gonna give you that actual whitening skin complexion that you want. Alright, guys. So this molato soap, you can use it without a lotion and it will work perfectly well for you. So guys, let's not waste much time. Let's just go straight into the video. So the one I have here on my list is your K Brother soap. You need 5 pieces of K Brother soap. Your Larissa soap, you need 10 pieces of Larissa soap. Nano soap, you need 10 pieces. Naked mulatto soap, you need 10 pieces. I'll place the picture for you guys to see. Then um mulatto base soap, you need one bucket of um 250 ml or the 5 liters one. Just anywhere you can lay your hand on, it's okay. Then your skin free milk, you need 4 bottles. Your raw skin free milk, you need 1 liter, but out of this 1 liter, you are using 500 ml. Then you're using 500 ml of the raw skin free milk. The kojic dick powder, you need 200 grams. Snow white powder, you need 200 grams. Shower gel to soak the soap. Any effective shower gel out there, but it must be orange color. Preferably, you can use your K Brothers shower gel, but any orange color shower gel because this mulatto soap should come out in orange color. Then you also need pink ozone soap. You need 5 pink ozone soaps. Salicylic acid, you need 100 grams of the salicylic acid. Lactic acid, you need 50 ml. Mulatto booster oil, you need 500 ml of the mulatto booster oil. Yeah, mulatto soap booster oil, you need 500 ml. For Tujanjun soap, you need 3 pieces of the Tujanjun soap. Permanent soap, you need 3 pieces of your permanent soap. The Filipino set, you need 2 sets. Filipino comes in two form, a powder and the liquid to dissolve the powder. Now you're using 2 sets, which means you're using two um two Filipino sets powders and 2 Filipino sets oil, sorry, water to dissolve each of the powders. So using 2 sets of the Filipino set powder. In your preservative to preserve this particular soap. So guys, you can see the recipes are super strong. Yeah, this recipe is super strong. Don't joke with it though. In case you want to whiten up your skin, this is a very good soap for you to use. Just pair it with any lightening or whitening oil, then you exfoliate your skin. You are going to achieve a strong whitening complexion. Don't joke with this recipe. And if you are already into skincare, you can produce this to sell. But this is actually what I produce for my customers, and this particular recipe is from my ebook. Yeah, I teach from my ebook. If I want to give out recipe, I give out recipes from my ebook. So guys, do not joke with this particular recipe. So guys, how do we make the soap? You grate in all your soaps, your cream butter soap, Arisa soap, nano soap, naked soap, mulatto balls. You grate in all these soaps into a bowl. Your permanent soap and your Tijanju soap, you grate all into a bowl. Permanent soap and Tijanju soap are anti-reaction soaps. They will help the soap um to sorry not to react on your skin. Like when you do this soap, it's not gonna react, giving you green veins, stretch mark, white patches or white dots. Larissa soap is sorry, permanent soap and Tujanju soap will actually prevent the soap from giving you such things. And so they are anti-reaction soaps. Then you soak your soaps with your shower gel. You can soak it um you can soak and leave it for the next day, but in case you want sharp something, just soak your soaps, add in your salicylic acid powder, your koji deep powder, snow white powder into it, then soak it, leave it for the next day. Then after 24 hours, you can now still blend your soaps and add up all other ingredients. Now this Filipino set, you're going to dissolve your Filipino powder with the set, sorry, with the water, because it comes with a solution and a powder. So you're going to use that solution to dissolve the powder and then pour it into your mulatto soap, and then you mix everything, stick blend everything. In case your shower gel is not enough to soak it very well, you can add more shower gel to soak the soap, but make sure the shower gel is orange in color, so that it will not alternate the color of this soap, but this soap should come out in a sorry in an orange color. Now this skin free milk is an active whitening milk for cosmetic product. Yeah, it's super effective. And your um mulatto booster oil, it's another strong whitening booster for mulatto soap. You can also use it to boost the effectiveness of your black soap. It's super effective for soaps. Ozone soap is a whitening soap. Yeah, it's also another booster. In case you don't know, it's help with the whitening effect of a particular soap. Yeah, even black soap can add ozone soap. It's super strong in whitening. It helps to whiten the skin. Sorry, your preservative to preserve the soap at the end of the production. Adding your preservative just to preserve the soap. It will help to prevent it from smelling. So guys, this is all for this particular recipe. In case you like videos like this, please don't forget to give your girl a good thumbs up, share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.